April 15, 2012. Unprecedented worldwide earthquakes, storms, and other elemental disasters will escalate in the next few days in April and the near future.
Prophecy, April 17, 2012. The Lord Jesus reveals two numbers, a smaller and a larger. They are situated like on a vertical stick or rod and can be increased or decreased by moving up or down. The smaller number appears to increase to 5 or 6. The larger number appears to decrease to 11. Interpretation: the spate of worldwide earthquakes and other unprecedented elemental disasters that catapulted on April 11, 2012, will continue into about mid-May or mid-June 2012. Since the Indonesia 8.6 megaquake, the Earth has seen an apocalyptic swarm of large earthquakes never seen in history. Scientists baffled by the new phenomenon have said this cannot be explained by current scientific knowledge. Matthew 24:7, "For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes in divers places." May 15, 2012. A 6.0 magnitude earthquake struck Papua New Guinea at a depth of 154 kilometers.